is absolutely fantastic. Ah, perfect.
Never stops, does he? He does all right for his age. Yeah, I was surprised. He was getting on a bit.
But he still dresses quite young, doesn't he? He's
Not the way
like
he
old
is.
fuzzy duddy and the way he is.
So this has been sitting in the bottle 27th of January. It's now the 1st of March, so just over a month, just over 4 weeks. And all I've done is opened it, and I put a bit of kefir in the top to give it some good bacteria, and then I'll just shut the lid, and I've left it for 4 weeks. So now what I want to do is shake it up. Right, it's spitting everywhere. I think I should strain it. I think you're supposed to strain it, but here goes. So I've just drained it out. So fermented milk. It's really, really good for your gut bacteria. It doesn't look good, but apparently it is.
Is absolutely fantastic. Ah, perfect.